Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day. So I want to bring you a product that I just picked up for the TLX here and some issues I have with it. Might work for some of you guys, but I wanted to give you my honest opinion about it. Now, a lot of people are always looking for ways to protect their seats and everything like this when you spend so much on a car. So a lot of people explore, putting seat covers on and all that. So I just wanted to share one that I just picked up and the fitment of it and my overall opinion of using this particular one on the Acura here. So let me go ahead and open it up and I'll show you exactly what I just purchased for this 2021 TLX. So here they are. They're from a company called Coverado. I was looking online. They offer a lot of different options for different vehicles. But this is like a neoprene kind of finish and has the quilted in the middle here. And they're pretty much just, you slip over. They give you little tools here and they just kind of use hooks to hook to itself and kind of tighten around the seat. Kind of a basic design. They just slide over. You don't have to disassemble anything, so that's good. But I was kind of curious how these would fit. So I thought, why not try these? So let's give you some illustrations here of how to put it on, but it's pretty straightforward. There's 3 different parts, the headrest and then the backrest and the bottom. So I'll go ahead and put them on and I'll share exactly what I think. So here they are, guys. So the feel is okay, but it's just pretty sloppy. Now, some of this is because it's been like kind of folded up during shipment, but in my opinion, there's a lot better options out there. These just don't do it justice for me. I mean, if you don't really care how it looks, then they're going to do the job and protect your seat. But like I said, they're just okay. It is what it is when it comes to these things. I think it detracts from the interior a lot. I love how the seats look, and it just kind of cheapens the whole look of it, in my opinion. Like, I'm not going to use these. And they slide around a lot. Like when you sit in them, they move around. So it has that cheap feel to them. Like, well, I'm always under the impression, unless you're carrying animals, as long as you use like a nice leather cleaner and conditioner and you keep spills cleaned up right away, you'll be fine. I mean, this car is almost 4 years old and I have no issues with it at all. I don't carry animals, but I do have kids. And when they spill stuff, I just clean it right away and you're good to go. I think that's the biggest thing I can say, is if you just take care of it and clean the leather and condition it so it stays nice and supple, you won't have issues. I don't have any cracks in it, no staining, and they've spilt stuff, you just wipe it up. But I mean, I don't know. I personally wouldn't do it, but like I said, if you just want something cheap just to protect the seat, you could use this. But if you're not really carrying animals, I would just advise to keep your originals nice and clean. And that'll do a good job. Like I said, this is almost 4 years old. And the leather looks like the day I bought it, to be honest. So, and it's just cleaning the leather, conditioning it so it stays soft. And that's all there is to it. And using a sunshade to help keep some sun off of it and have windows tinted. So that's pretty much all I do. So again, I just want to give you my honest opinion of these. I'd stay away from them personally. And I just want to share my experience with it. For a car like this, I don't like something to detract from it when you spend so much money on it. So again, just my honest opinion. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate your feedback as always. Any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get back to you. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.